This weekly AutoMatters tip has been brought to you by Big O Tires. For more helpful auto tips, visit foxreno.com or stop into your local Big O Tires today.
Oh, it's Murphy's Law of Motoring. Your car only breaks down when you're running late, right? You jump in the car, you hit the starter, and click, 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 the battery is absolutely dead. Perhaps you left the light on. I've done that. Maybe the battery's just old and it's given up the ghost. Or worse yet, your alternator has failed and stopped charging the battery. Now, you're gonna need a jump start to get going, but what's most important is that we diagnose what caused the battery to go bad in the first place. If you need a battery, figure it'll be a couple $100. Alternators could be more depending upon labor. Your best bet, have it looked at by one of our trusted car pros here in town.
Big O Tires, the team you trust for tires and automotive service.